Let's get you a news break coming in now from Andhra Pradesh, where Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has made it very clear that tenders for the proposed Mumtaz Hotel, which was supposed to come up adjacent to the Tirumala temple, has been cancelled. This comes after the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam had made it clear that they are against the Mumtaz Hotel coming up right next to, in fact, the temple. And now Chief Minister Naidu confirming that no TTD land will be used for privatization, and so the land that was allocated for Mumtaz Hotel will no longer be given.
Vishnavi Versatile Ventures 10.32, Mumtaz Hotels 20 ఎకరాలు, MRKR Construction Industries Private Limited 5 ఎకరాలు ఇచ్చారు. ఈ 35.32 క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఎవ్వరు కూడా కమర్షియలైజ్ చేయడానికి లేదు. వెంకట 7 కొండలు ఆనుకొని ఎలాంటి కమర్షియలైజేషన్ కానీ అపవిత్రం చేసే కార్యక్రమాలు ఎక్కడా ఉండడానికి వీల్లేదు.
Okay, let's bring in Apurva Jayachandran, who's joining us live from Vijayawada with more details on this. Apurva, for the last many months, this has been a demand from the TTD, and as expected, Chief Minister Naidu confirming that the Mumtaz Hotel, that land at least that was to be given for the Mumtaz Hotel, will no longer be handed over.
Well, that's right. In fact, not only that, we're also getting to see the Chief Minister there making a strong statement regarding the Mumtaz Hotel. Even as we're speaking, just last week, we saw several protests by various Hindu organizations right outside the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's, head offices there in Tirupati. In fact, wherein they had demanded that the tender for the Mumtaz Hotel be cancelled as well. And right at this juncture, now we see the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu, who had gone for a darshan there at Tirumala with his family. Early this morning, he has now at a press meet stated not only is the tender be cancelled for the Mumtaz Hotel there, but he's also gone on and stated that 2 other private entities who were given tenders right adjacent to the Mumtaz Hotel as well, their tenders will also be cancelled. So roughly the 35.32 acres that was allotted for these 3 private entities by the former government, that is the YSRCP government, that will now be cancelled. In fact, he's also stated that the TTD will go ahead and speak with the Oberoi Hotels there, which is handling the Mumtaz Hotel construction and the tender there. And he says that there will be conversations going on with the Oberoi Hotel management to ensure that they will be given a land somewhere else, but not that in the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam lands allotted, and that there will be no privatization of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam land, in the Temple Hill as well.
All right, Apurva, thanks very much for those details.